Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Tab 10, and today I will show you how we can boot this tablet into recovery mode. Now I'll mention that the tablet I have right here is still in the setup process, but this doesn't change anything. You can access the recovery mode at any stage of the device. So to get started, you will need to hold the power key. From there, select power off. Give it a moment for the tablet to actually turn off, and once it has, you will then hold power key and volume up. Okay, so now that it's off, power key and volume up. After, I don't know, like 5 to 10 seconds of holding it, you should probably see some kind of logo on a screen, at which point you will let go of the power key. There we go. So let go of the power key once you see CUBOT logo. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now, I don't know if this is normal or if it's just for me, but for me the actual navigation just skips a little bit too much, as you can see. But yeah, just going over the options that we have right here. We have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which will take us to bootloader if there is one. Enter fastboot mode, takes us to fastboot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device, along with enter rescue, which is not really sure what it's going to be rescuing in the recovery mode. But yeah. So you navigate obviously using volume keys, and you confirm selected option using the power key. And I did just leave the mode because I wanted to go back to the normal one, so give it a moment and it should be back in the normal Android system. And there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.